Hello children, we'll continue with the lesson Nasruddin saying. Day before yesterday we did the reading of the text and you also sent me the audios and videos while reading the lesson. I found you people were having some difficulty in pronouncing some words, so we'll be practicing them in this order. I'll underline the words and pronounce them, and you will listen carefully, attentively, and then practice afterwards. So, the first word is chatting. 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 Chatting means talking. बातचीत करना. Light talks. गप्पे मारना. इस type से. Then second word is boast. 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 Boast मतलब to speak with pride. घमंड से अपने बारे में बातें करना. डींगे हाँकना. शेखी बघाड़ना. Then archery. Archery means the art of shooting with the bow and arrow. धनुष बाण से धनुष बाण चलाना ये एक तरह का स्पोर्ट होता है. पहले ये सोल्जर जो थे, सारी जो वॉर बैटल्स होती थी, they were used to be fought with bows and arrows. So people were very skilled in archery those days. Then the word is arrow. 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 Arrow means baan, तीर. Then the word is target. 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 Target means aim, nishana, lakshya. Then the word is immediately. 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 Immediately means तुरंत, फटाफट, उसी वक्त कर देना कोई काम. Do it immediately means you have to do it that time only. Then the word is bow. 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 Bow means dhanush. Then comes the word instead. INSTEAD. Your children were pronouncing it instead. It's not instead, it is instead. Instead means in place of something. इसके बजाय, ये करने के बजाय हमने ये कर दिया. तो in place of this we did that. This is instead. Next word is defending. 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 Defending मतलब defending means protecting, अपने आप को बचाना, आत्मरक्षा में कोई काम करना, that is called defending. After defending, the word is further. 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 Further मतलब थोड़ा और दूर. Further. Then the word is which I found you were struggling to pronounce was argued. 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 Argued means to explain, to inquire about something. हिंदी में कहते हैं उसे समझाना, बहस करना. Then the word is remarked. 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 Remarked means to comment. किसी चीज़ के ऊपर अपना विचार व्यक्त करना. To comment. To remark. Then next word which I found you were having difficulty, which is difficult for you, is agape. 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 Agape means wide open mouth. किसी आश्चर्य में किसी चीज़ को देख के when you are not able to believe, so your mouth is open. खुला का खुला रह जाना, मुंह खुला का खुला रह जाना. So आश्चर्य से wide open mouth. Next word is amazement. AMAZEMENT. Amazement, it is surprise, not an ordinary surprise, a big surprise. Then the word is triumphantly. 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 Triumphantly means to do something with a sense of victory. जीत की खुशी में, जीत के भाव से जब हम कोई काम करते हैं या बोलते हैं, उस एक्शन को कहते हैं triumphantly. So these are all difficult words. Write them down in your notebooks, learn the spellings, learn the pronunciation, and practice. Okay.